Welcome to the best pick. The best Sonic Party Cups is probably one of the most exciting additions to any party, especially for fans of the speedy blue Hedgehog. These cups aren't just for holding drinks, they're a statement, a way to bring the vibrant energy of Sonic and his friends to your celebration. Whether you're planning a birthday bash, a game night, or just a fun get-together, these cups are sure to be a hit, adding a touch of speed and excitement to every sip. Number 5. Sonic the Hedgehog Fruit Snacks Value Pack. Introducing the Sonic the Hedgehog Fruit-Flavored Snacks. These delicious treats are packed with fruity flavor and shaped like your favorite characters. It's a fun and tasty snack for everyone. These snacks are gluten-free and fat-free, making them a great choice for a healthier lifestyle. They are also an excellent source of vitamin C. You can enjoy them without any guilt. These convenient pouches are perfect for any occasion. Pack them in a lunchbox, bring them on a road trip, or enjoy them after school. It's easy to take them wherever you go. Each snack is shaped like your favorite Sonic the Hedgehog characters. This makes snack time even more fun and exciting for kids. They will love the familiar shapes. This value pack contains 22 pouches, perfect for sharing or enjoying throughout the week. It's a great way to keep these tasty snacks on hand. Get yours today. What we like. These snacks are gluten and fat-free, making them a healthier choice for your kids. The fun character shapes add excitement to snack time. If you're looking for a convenient and fun snack for school lunches or on-the-go adventures, you should consider these. What people say. They are perfect for a Sonic the Hedgehog party. The cups are a great size for kids. The design is exactly as pictured. Number 4. Repurpose 12 ounces Stemless Cups, plant-based and eco-friendly. Introducing the Repurpose 12 ounces Stemless Cups. You get a pack of 100 cups, perfect for any gathering. These cups are made from plant-based materials, making them a great choice for the environment. Each cup holds 12 ounces, ideal for your favorite beverages. Whether it's water, juice, or a cocktail, this is the perfect size. It's designed to be both practical and stylish. These cups are BPA-free and contain no added PFAS. You can enjoy your drinks without worry. It's a safe and healthy choice for you and your guests. The Repurpose cups are certified bio-based. This means they are made from renewable resources. It's a sustainable choice that helps reduce your carbon footprint. These cups are FDA non-toxic and safe for food contact. You can use them with confidence, knowing they meet the highest safety standards. It's the ultimate cool cup. What we like. These cups are made from plant-based materials, offering an eco-friendly alternative. They are also BPA and PFAS-free, ensuring safety. If you are looking for a sustainable and safe option for your drinks, you should consider these. What people say. They are perfect for a Sonic the Hedgehog party. The cups are a great size and the kids love them. The design is exactly as pictured and very vibrant. Number 3. Blue Panda 16 ounces Gamer Cups. Looking for the perfect party edition? These cups from Blue Panda feature a fun controller graphic. They are ideal for any celebration and will bring a touch of excitement to your event. Each cup holds 16 ounces, making it perfect for soda, juice, or milk. This size ensures your guests can enjoy plenty of refreshment while they celebrate and mingle. Made from sturdy plastic, these cups can handle any lively gathering. You can easily clean and store them for future use, making them a sustainable choice for all your celebrations. The cup's eye-catching design complements any themed event. Whether it's a kids' party or an adult gathering, they add a playful and festive atmosphere to your decorations. These cups aren't just for parties, they're also great for the pool or as birthday decorations. Their adaptability makes them a must-have for any party planner. What we like. These cups feature a vibrant controller graphic, perfect for a gaming-themed party. They are durable and reusable, making them a practical choice. If you're planning a gamer birthday party, you should consider these. What people say. The cups are a great size for kids. The design is exactly as pictured and very vibrant. They are sturdy and held up well. Number 2. Sonic the Hedgehog Party Supplies Bundle. Throw an unforgettable party with this awesome bundle. It includes everything you need to celebrate in style. Get ready for a super fun time with this amazing set. This bundle comes with 12 reusable cups, perfect for all your guests. These cups are great for drinks and are easy to clean. Make sure to hand wash them to keep them in great shape. Each cup holds 16 ounces, ideal for any party beverage. They're the perfect size for kids and adults alike. Enjoy your favorite drinks with these fun cups. Also included is a fun dinosaur sticker sheet. Kids will love decorating with these cool stickers. It's a great addition to the party favors. Remember to hand wash the cups to keep them looking their best. This will help extend the life of the cups. Enjoy the party. What we like. These cups feature a Sonic the Hedgehog theme, perfect for a themed birthday party. They are reusable, promoting sustainability. If you like the Sonic the Hedgehog, you should consider these. What people say. The cups are a great size for kids and adults. The design is vibrant and eye-catching. They are sturdy and held up well throughout the party. Number 1. Sonic the Hedgehog 61-piece Birthday Party Kit. Get ready for an awesome party. This kit brings the world of Sonic the Hedgehog to life. It's perfect for a fun and memorable celebration. This all-in-one kit has everything you need. It includes a banner, plates, napkins, and cups. It's designed to make party planning easy. The party supplies are environmentally friendly. You can celebrate knowing you're making a responsible choice. It's safe for your child and the planet. The kit includes fun games like ring toss. This adds an extra layer of excitement. It's not just a party, it's an adventure. Each guest gets a Sonic-themed party favor box. They also get a party blower. It's a great way to create lasting memories. What we like. This kit is an officially licensed Sonic the Hedgehog product, guaranteeing authenticity. It includes a complete set of party supplies for up to 10 guests. If you are planning a Sonic-themed party for a small group, you should consider this. What people say. The cups are a great size for kids. The design is vibrant and eye-catching. They are perfect for a Sonic the Hedgehog-themed party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.